Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. In this video, I'm going to address the age-old question of how often should I upload videos on YouTube? There is a huge amount of content out there stating different things. Some people say quality over quantity, and others say quantity grows your channel faster. The truth is, you should be uploading as much consistent quality content as possible. If you are building a faceless channel and can outsource videos, then posting daily will grow your channel faster. But this also to a degree depends on your content type. You don't want to overwhelm people to the point where they turn off notifications or even unsubscribe. Viewers may consume more entertainment style videos than they would, say, educational videos. If you have a branded channel where you are presenting in the videos, then uploading daily may mean sacrificing on quality, not to mention the risk of burning out. So the keywords here are consistent quality. Being able to reliably upload to YouTube is what brings regular growth. YouTube rewards consistency. If you upload 3 videos one week and then don't upload for another 2, then it will impact your growth. You're better off scheduling 1 video per week and giving yourself a buffer. You want to set yourself up for long-term success. But if you really want to fire up your new channel as quickly as possible, then produce and schedule a large number of videos to start, say 30, and then settle into an upload rhythm that matches the time and resources you have. Be realistic with yourself. The important thing is to start now and just do what you can. It's like the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the next best time is now. Start growing your channel now and you'll thank yourself later when it starts making you money. With that said, if you would like more free training on how to build a profitable YouTube channel, then check out the links in the description. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're just one video away. Until next time.